Many times users need to share information within PDF, with documents or other file formats. Let's look at how Foxit Phantom PDF users can export PDF and share PDF content. To export PDF to other file formats, click on the Convert tab, where Phantom PDF has a number of export options. To convert a PDF document to Microsoft Word, first click on the To MS Office button, and then choose To Word. Choose where you want to save the file, and Phantom PDF will convert the file to a Microsoft Word document. The file has now been converted into a Word format. We can also do something similar to export PDF to other Office applications, like Excel. Here is the budget in a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. We can also convert a PDF to an image. For this, we click the To Image button, and then choose the file format we would like to export. In addition, Phantom PDF can also convert PDF to HTML, rich text, or plain text. Another way to share PDF content is to use the Windows Cut and Paste function. First go to Select, and then choose Select Text and Image, and then select the text you want to copy and paste. Then by using the copy and paste functions like Control-C and Control-V, we can cut and paste the information into other file formats. If you need further assistance, please contact Foxit Support 24/7.